still feel the same. What's a life with no fun? Please don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours, we both know. We know they won't get you like I will. My only wish is I die real, cause that truth hurts and those lies heal. And you can't sleep thinking that he lies still, so you cry still, tears all in a pillowcase. Big girls all get a little taste out, pushing me away so I give her space out. Dealing with a heart that I didn't break. I'll be there for you, I would care for you. I keep thinking you just don't know. Trying to run from that, say you're done with that. On your face, girl, it just don't show. When you're ready, just say you're ready. When all the baggage just ain't as heavy and the party's over, just don't forget me. We'll change the pace and we'll just go slow. You won't ever have to worry. You won't ever have to hide. And you've seen all my mistakes, so look me in my eyes. Cause if you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you. I've loved and I've lost. Yeah. It's my birthday, I get if I want to. Can't deny that I want you, but I lie if I have to. Cause you don't say you love me to your friends when they ask you. Even though we both know that you do. You do. One time been in love, one time. You and all your girls in the club one time. Also convinced that you're following your heart, cause your mind don't control what it does sometimes. We all have our needs though. Don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours, we both know. I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. I'm naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when who's swimming. It took me some time, but now I'm It's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I will be my own best friend.
So you just saw that I finished cleaning up my closet. I don't know, every single time I go on vacation or if I'm trying on a bunch of clothes, my closet just becomes a complete mess and I hate it. And I just continue to pile stuff on top of stuff instead of putting things back into their proper place. And it was just driving me crazy. So today I wanted to just come in here and organize things and get them back in their proper place. Last thing that I need to do is clean off my vanity set here and put away all of these items that I picked up from the Sephora sale. I can't even remember when the Sephora sale was, but I have all of my items here. I never unpacked them, so I'm going to show you the items that I picked up. I know it's super late, but I think there's another Sephora sale going on right now. I remember seeing that in my email. I don't know if it's for everyone or just a specific group of people, but I did get the email, and I think it's until the 15th, and you get 20% off. So if you have access to that Sephora sale, maybe these would be some of the items that you could consider that I highly recommend. And plus it's Christmas time, so you can also use these as Christmas gifts. I'm going to show you everything that I picked So the first two items that I'm going to show you aren't even from Sephora. I picked these up from Bath and Body Works when they had their body care sale. I don't even remember when that was. Again, that was a couple of weeks ago. So I picked up the champagne toast. This is the first one. I love this one. I have the candle champagne toast and I keep it in my closet. It smells so good. But this is what it looks like on the inside. Just nice and creamy. Feels really good on the body. And then I also picked it up in this Into the Night, mainly because I just love the look of the container. I don't think I've had this scent in any candle, but it does smell good, and this is what it looks like. And I love to pair these with my body oil at night, and it just feels so good. It's so creamy. It leaves your body silky smooth. So I am really enjoying these two body butters, and they're reasonably priced. Like, these body butters can get expensive. So I have a couple of items, still not from Sephora, but they're inside of this package. So I have this Paula's Choice BHA lotion exfoliant. I use this in the liquid version, but I wanted to get this lotion one and try it out to see if this would be easy to transport when I'm traveling. And then I also picked up another lotion by Paula's Choice, and it is the Skin Revealing Body Lotion 10% AHA, and I really love this. I actually got this full-size bottle for free because it was my birthday gift, so I redeemed it to get this lotion because I really like this. And it's just a full body lotion, and it's really good. It has all of the benefits of, like, you know, skincare for your face. So I love that. Now we're going to move on to the items that I picked up from Sephora. So I'll start with the things that's already out of the box. It is this Necessaire body wash, and I first tried this during the Nordstrom beauty sale, I believe, and I had it in the eucalyptus scent because I love the eucalyptus. It just smells so clean and so fresh. I burned that candle like throughout my whole house, and I just love that scent. So I tried it in the body wash. I don't really care for the scent in the body wash. It doesn't give me that same feeling as it does in the candle around my house. So with my face, I started doing double cleansing. So I'll just clean my face twice. I will either use the same face wash twice, or I will use two different face washes, but I'll just double cleanse my face to get it really clean. So I decided to incorporate that into my shower routine. And so I will first use the Dove body wash because that's just like holy grail, my all-time favorite. Like, Dove body wash is not going anywhere, so I'll use that first, and then I will follow it up with the Necessaire body wash, just because it claims to have some of the same properties that I use in my skincare products, like vitamin C, niacinamide, vitamin E, just all of those properties that help to boost and promote healthy skin for my face. I want that same response for the rest of my body as well. It has this really long name that I cannot pronounce, and I'm not going to even try, but the scent is vanilla and it smells so good. Yes, it smells really good. So the next thing that I picked up are a few of the Fenty Skin products. I love that line. I love the Fenty Beauty and I love the Fenty Skin. It is just so good. So I repurchased the Fenty Skin Fat Water Toner. I have been using this for a while and I'm obsessed with it. I picked up 2 bottles actually because they were on sale and I don't want to run out of this stuff. Like, I had stopped using it for a while and I could definitely see a difference in my skin. Like, it just wasn't performing as well as I know that it could. So I had to go back and get it, and I want to keep her like in stock. I don't ever want to run out of this stuff. And I just started using the Fenty Skin Instant Reset overnight cream. Instantly I was impressed. Like, the first night, honestly, I was really impressed with how it was. The fact that a little goes a long way, because the container is pretty small. This is the refill size. I have like the full size in the bathroom, and then you can just buy the refills, but they are pretty small. I think they are about 1.7 ounce, but honestly, you don't need a lot. And again, I only use this at night. You could use it during the day, but I have a different face cream that I use during the day, and I was just looking for something at night, and this is so good. Like, my skin feels so amazing in the morning when I get up to wash my face. Like, it's just so soft and so glowy. So I think this is going to be a staple. Like, I don't think I want to try anything else. Okay, what else did I get from Fenty Beauty? I also just recently started trying the lip balm. Again, I'm looking for a lip balm that I can put on overnight that's going to moisturize my lips and not have them dry, that's going to last throughout the night. Tried this for the first time, loved it during the sale. I had to pick up another one. Love that. And then I found 2 other Fenty products inside of the bag. I didn't remember what I had, honestly, because this has been a while. But I also picked up another one of the Cookies and Clean Detox face mask. Love these. I don't even know how many of these things I've purchased. I love these so much. This is the size that it comes in. I believe this is also a 1.7. No, this is a 2.5 size, but it lasts a while. This is what it looks like on the inside. It has the protective covering over it, but that's what it looks like on the inside. In my one that I have in my bathroom, I have probably like a quarter of it left because I use it so much. It is just so good, and I use this at nighttime, so I love it so much. So you just, you know, put it on your face and you let it sit. I let mine sit for a very long time. Like, I don't wash it off in 10 or 15 minutes. I'll literally have this on for like 30-40 minutes. And if I'm in the bathtub taking a bath, I'm usually in there for a while, so I'll keep this mask on for like an hour and then I'll wash it off. It's so good. I can't run out of this either, so definitely on repeat. And then the last thing that I have from Fenty is this makeup product. It is a mascara. I was totally influenced to buy this because I wasn't checking for mascara. Like, I have a few that I need to go through, and then I have my favorites, which is the YSL Lash Clash, and then I just started using this Dior one, which is really good. And then I also like the Gucci. So I have mascara that I could use, so I wasn't checking for that, and I tried it out, and y'all, it's something serious. Like, it's something to be said about this mascara. So the next thing I have is another lip balm. This is by Summer Fridays. I have this in the full size version, but I wanted to get the smaller size to go inside of all of my small crossbody bags, and you get 4 of them, and the flavors are vanilla, vanilla beige, iced coffee, and brown sugar. And this is what they look like. Super tiny, but I think this will be perfect for my crossbody bags. So the thing I picked up is another skincare product. It's by The Ordinary, and it's the hyaluronic acid. Love this stuff. It's a serum. I use this after I use the fat water toner. I just want my skin to be hydrated and glowy, and this gives me that. So always want to have that in the stash. And then I wanted to try this House Lab by Lady Gaga, her foundation. I've just been seeing so many people rave about this foundation, so I was like, I want to try it out. And what better time to try it out than a Sephora sale? So I picked it up. I haven't even opened it yet. I have it in the shade 480 medium deep neutral. So this is what the bottle looks like. It's a really cute bottle. I haven't tried it yet. It does have a pump. I love when foundations come with a pump. So I'm excited to try this out. I haven't used it yet, but it says it's a clean, cutting edge, long wear foundation that delivers superior makeup performance without compromising your skin. And again, I'm all about healthy skin. I don't want anything compromising my skin. So we're going to give this a try. I hope I like it. And then I picked up a Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray. I have it in this travel size just because I feel like I need something small when I travel, so I'm not taking all of these big full-size products. So this is the one that I picked up. It also has vitamin C in it, so that's good for the skin. I also picked up this Tower 28 facial mist. It was just at the register, so I picked it up. I'm all for a facial mist to keep the face nice and hydrated. Also picked up another Sephora Best Skin Ever foundation. I've had this before and I love the way that it looked on my skin, and I wanted to pick up another one, and I have this in shade 50N, so I picked that up. And then I also picked up a Sephora lip balm, and I think this is in the shade Nude 02, and it's just a simple, beautiful, like brown nude lip. So I picked that up. This was a free sample. I think it's Way hair oil. I'm not going to use this. I don't really be doing too much when it comes to my hair. I leave that to my hairstylist. So we just gonna, I don't know, have that over there somewhere. And the last thing I picked up are these Sephora depuffing eye patches. I actually have several eye patches, but I've never used them. I do want to start incorporating them into my skincare routine because I'm sure they offer some really good skincare benefits when it comes to your eyes. So I need to start adding this to my routine, my nighttime routine. So maybe when I do my baths, I'll put these under the eye while I'm bathing in the tub. So yeah, I'm gonna try this out. My next bath night, we're gonna incorporate these eye patches, and I'm gonna come back and let you know like what I thought about it. So that is the last thing that I picked up from the Sephora sale, and then the bag that they gave me when I made my purchase. So those are all of the items that I picked up from the Sephora sale. I hope I gave you some recommendations if you are looking for yourself or a gift for someone else. And again, check your emails to see if you received that Sephora sale announcement that they have going on right now. So thank you for hanging out with me today. I will see you in my next video. Bye.